Look how hot it was today. You probably didn't need the jacket today. McAllen hit a record at 94. Harlingen hit a record at 90. It was 92 in Weslaco, 86 in Brownsville. Those not records, but certainly warm enough. We've cooled off since then. These are the currents. 60s in the west, 70s in the east. Still a pretty good contrast across the area. 13 degrees difference between Rio Grande City and South Padre Island, and a big difference in the humidity as well. Look at the dew point, only 48 in Starr County, 50s and 60s in Hidalgo County, but still in the 70s in the lower valley. That's that old front that was just to the north of us yesterday. It's kind of been meandering back and forth across the middle part of the valley all day today. And if you did any traveling west to east or east to west, you noticed a big difference in the humidity at the coast or even in Harlingen versus McAllen as the drier air has been kind of just hanging out in the upper part of the valley today. It's going to drop for everybody later tonight as a cool front comes in, and by morning, most of us are in the 60s, except the island about 72. And then tomorrow afternoon, instead of being in the 90s, we should top out in the 70s. Considerably cooler, a northerly wind, and much lower humidity. Plenty of sunshine. Then we get into Thursday morning. We start in the 50s in most of the valley, still warmer near the coast, and then still only in the 70s during the afternoon. And Friday we do it again. We start in the 60s. Friday we warm up a little more. A warm front goes through, warms us back up into the 80s, but also brings the chance of rain back. We'll look at that in a moment. 77, 77, 79, but we can say goodbye to record breaking. That probably won't happen again after today for a while. Low clouds beginning to show up near the coast, and they'll be a problem until that front pushes through late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Then we'll end up mostly sunny and cooler with windy conditions at the coast tomorrow. Thursday, still relatively cool compared to today, and some sunshine, but notice the clouds start to roll back in, and by Friday I think we start to see some moisture. Spotty showers show up on Friday. Could be some patchy actual rain at times on Friday, but I think the better chance for that may come on Saturday. So we go dry, and then 40%. Those are your rain chances. Severe weather to deep south tonight, but most of the rest of Texas enjoying quiet conditions. So tonight we stay at 58, but it's going to take a while to get there because remember, we still have to get that front through the valley before the night's over with. Then tomorrow we're only 77. So about 15 degrees cooler than today under mainly sunny skies, and the winds will stay a bit gusty at the coast. Here's your 7-day forecast, 77, 77, and we say 79, 78.
Okay.
Look at Sunday.
Love that.
66 for a high on Sunday.
Thank you.
And I think, we talked yesterday about the showers breaking by midday Sunday. Looks like now it's going to take another 24 hours, maybe midday Monday before we get the sun back in here. So showers move in as early as Friday, stay with us Saturday into Sunday, and then taper off on Monday.
So just carry an umbrella with you.
That's a good idea.
Not a big deal.
Nope.
All right, Timmy. We'll be right back.